Norman Augustus Black, born November 12, 1957, is the current consultant to the San Beda University Red Lions basketball team playing in the Philippines. He is a former professional basketball player who played in the CBA, NBA, and PBA. He's the former head coach for the Meralco Bolts. He has since settled in the Philippines. He is also a former head coach of the San Miguel Beermen, Mobiline Phone Pals, Pop Cola 800s, Lucia Realtors, and Talk and Text Tropang Texters. He has also coached the Ateneo Blue Eagles in the UAAP. During his playing career, his moniker was Mr. 100%. Black played high school basketball for the Cardinal Gibbons School in Baltimore, where he graduated in 1975, archived February 18, 2009 at the Wayback Machine. He then played for St. Joseph's College in Pennsylvania from 1975 to 1979, averaging 17 points per game in his playing career. Black later played in Continental Basketball Association from 1979 to 1982 for the Lancaster Red Roses and the Philadelphia Kings. He also played for the Detroit Pistons in the National Basketball Association, but played only 3 games in the 1980-81 season, averaging 2.7 points per game. It was former Ambassador Danding Cowanco who asked me to become a head coach. In 1985, Black relates, "I had no desire to be a coach back then." He went on to say that the former ambassador probably heard something in Black's voice while he was doing some analysis for the TV broadcast of the PBA that made Cowanco believe he would be suited for coaching. His coaching career started around 1985 and 1986 as a playing coach, but by 1987, he became San Miguel's full-time coach until 1996. When he left the Beermen, he won 9 championships as head coach of San Miguel, including a Grand Slam in 1989, making San Miguel the winningest team in the PBA. Coaching some of the best players in PBA history, such as superstars Samboy Linnet, Alan Kadick, Hector Calma, Raymond Fernandez, Ricky Brown, Ata Agustin, and Roll. Players Alvin Teng, Eve Dignadice, Art Dela Cruz, Franz Pumaran, Elmer Reyes, Jeffrey Graves, Pito Gerencio, Bobby Jose, Romy Lopez, Josel Angelis, Ricky Cooey, Kevin Ramos, Bong Ravina, and Dong Polistico. In 1994, he was named head coach of the Philippine team in the Hiroshima Asian Games, after the Beermen won the All-Filipino Cup. However, the country went home without a medal in basketball after placing 4th. In 1996, with San Miguel needing an import, he played as a temporary import for the Beermen and scored 15 points. In 2004, Black was hired by the Ateneo Blue Eagles as its team consultant, but after a disappointing 2004 season, in which the Blue Eagles finished third under Sandy Arespacoga, school officials hired him as the Blue Eagles' new head coach for the 2005 campaign, the 35th coach in its history. He led the Blue Eagles to a 10-4 win-loss record in his first season, but they were eliminated by the De La Salle Green Archers, who had a twice-to-beat advantage against them. In the 69th season, he led the Blue Eagles to a 10-2 win-loss slate, the best record in the elimination round. After defeating the Edmson Falcons in the Final Four, Ateneo battled the UST Growling Tigers in a grueling 3-game series. In 2012, months before the opening of the 75th season of the UAAP, he announced that he would be leaving the Ateneo Blue Eagles right after UAAP season 75 to go to the pros and to take over the coaching duties of the Talk and Text Tropang Texters from Coach Cottrays, who would be leaving the team to coach the Smart Guylas too. Black will stay as consultant for 2 years. At the end of the UAAP season, the Blue Eagles won another championship, their 5th in a row, this time in a rematch against their 2006 finals opponent, the Eust Growling Tigers, by sweeping the series with a score of 83-78 in Game 1 and 65-62 in Game 2. With this achievement, he became only the second coach in the history of the UAAP to win 5 straight UAAP championship after Baby DeLupin, who have won 7 straight championships season 28-34 with the UE Red Warriors. Black is married to Benji Davila. His son Aaron is also a basketball player with his team, the Morocco Bolts. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.